Okay, YouTube. 2002 Dodge Intrepid overhead console light or map light, depending on what you want to call it. According to the owner's manual, it's a 192 and it's overhead console. It gives you no instructions on how to remove it. Ends up you have to take out the single screw towards the back with a stubby Phillips, pull straight down on the console. That gets you access to the light bulbs. Getting the light bulbs out is a real challenge because they're right in here in this little tiny space. What I ended up doing was using a pair of needle nose pliers with safety glasses on, grabbing the bulb and pulling it out, which of course then it drops into the light well and you can't retrieve it. So what I ended up doing was putting a piece of electrical tape formed in a loop, sticky side out, shoving it into the pocket and pulling the bulb out that way. So that's one thing to be aware of. The next problem is getting the new bulb in because of the tight quarters, and you really don't want to reef on it too tightly with the needle nose pliers. So what I did is I took my electrical tape, I folded it sticky side in, and I made myself a little strap wrench. And that allowed me to get a really nice tight grip on it and to seat the bulb without having the danger of crushing it with the needle nose pliers. And that worked out well. So I hope these little tricks help the next person. Take care. Peace out.